I'm Storm Chaser Reed Timmer in Colorado Springs, Colorado, and you can see a supercell is coming off the mountains right now with a big-time hail shaft once again. This storm is moving off to the southeast, even has rotation on radar, so I would not be surprised if once it gets a little bit east of these mountains, it starts dropping tornadoes. But at first, it is likely going to be dropping hail to the size of baseballs very easily. Right now, the core is just to the southwest of Colorado Springs, so most of the largest hail will fall just in the south side of town. But you can see right up there on those mountains, it is starting to rotate with that big-time hail core on the way. There you can see that wall cloud right up against the mountains, that Cheyenne Mountain right there. And it is definitely rotating. And as this storm moves off over the high plains, that's when it's going to develop a tornado threat. But it also could produce a flash flood down Fountain Creek very shortly, likely to the southeast of the Manitou Springs area along Highway 24.